that dream are not the dream that you are watching closing the eye. Dream are those that you that couldn't make you asleep. So सपने वो नहीं जो आप आंखें बंद करके देखते हैं, सपने तो वो है जो आपको सोने ही ना दें. So
So hello everyone, this is Mirshan and today I am going to about important of goal. So as we know, a goal is more important in our life and everybody have goal in these days. And because now we are connect to social media through to YouTube. So through to YouTube, so we always watch the motivation video. So through to watch motivation video, we know what is goal. And but that time some person they don't know what is goal and they face lot of problem through to goal and they have no goal and they do something and they don't know what am I doing. So it is not good. And in these days also I have some few friends, so I ask sometime do you have any goal, so they don't know I have no any goal, I didn't think about my future. So that's why it is not good for like everyone. So mostly if we have goal, so we can do a lot of things, we can achieve success very easily. And like all person have mentioned like two three types goal, and I am also like two types goal, one like short short time goals and long time goals. Like short time goals like we are learning English, so it is our goal ki I want to learn English within like 6 months, yeah, 4 months, whatever, and all things we do lot every day and we make goal. And long time goal is that ki we always think about ki it is my goal and I want to like become a good police officer, I want to become a IS businessman, whatever. So it is long time goal. So long time goal is also very important because we have goal, so we can do something our life. And some person they have goal and some person also they have goal but they don't want to take action and they afraid through to action ki when I will take action, so maybe I will fail. So like this, so it is not good and we should take action because we will take action. So like we can feel okay, yeah I try, so maybe we should take action. And some people they don't want to take action. So whenever we start we making goal and like we start like a road map and whatever we should write, and after that we should think about our goal. And after that we should take action recently, like whatever like we whenever we think like it is good time for me and we should take action. We should not wait ki I will do this work after like on Holi and after Holi, after Diwali and whatever I will start from New Year. So we should not think like this. And whatever like we should take time and our planning is good. We have everything like we have money and we have good time. So we should choose and we should take action so we can achieve very soon. So as we know like so that's why goal is more important and we should have goal. And if we have no goal, so we can't achieve anything. And so goal is more important. And some people have goal, so they also successful person and in these days. And but in this day also because we know like through to social media we know every day we watch motivational video like this, so we learn a lot of things. So maybe in these days I think everybody have goal, so it is very good thing. And goal is more important. If we have goal, so we can achieve something very soon. So it is all my side, I think. Goal, thank you so much.
Okay, that's good. That's good. Okay, but fantastic, Rachel. And now, Jaspal, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, start.
Okay, good evening, all of you. My name is Jaspal K. I'm from living Devra. My today topic important of goals in our life. Goals are best because without goals we cannot success our life. Now the time everyone choose their goals. There are the three types of goal like short goal, medium goal, and a long goal. I chose my short goal, the short goal. So I choose my short goal for speaking English. Now that I every day to improve my English, so I just try every day speaking English like reading books and newspaper and watch some video also. And I join my coaching also every in day in my home. So I join my online class also. So they are supporting me. My parents also supported. You can do something in our life. That's why I chose my goal. Without goals, we cannot do anything now that time because goals are important.
Mahendra
Our
Singh Dhoni. Mahendra Singh Dhoni was a goalkeeper, but after some time he chose cricket. So, first, my question is, uh, first he chose others' goals, but sometime he decided others' goals. They how they choose, and I think every person's they choose any goals, but between destiny journey. So they saw opportunity any other field. So this is my question to Ravin sir, Jitin sir.
What did you say?
Yeah, very excellent question asked by Shailendra sir. Yeah, it's a true. And as Sanjeev sir also include that goal should be flexible. Means we should not be rigid about our goal. That we have decided one thing, then we have to only follow that thing blindly. It should not like that. We should have a flexible goal. Suppose we are the player of cricket, football, and table tennis. Otherwise, we are playing the guitar and even singing also. So sometimes you can be good to playing the guitar, but even you are for better to singing also. So that is up to your hardship. That you have to search your interest, and sometimes you should have a good mentors. You should have a good teacher. They will motivate you in a right path. Like a Mahendra Singh Dhoni, I watched the movie MS Dhoni. The great coach and the instructor, they are motivating him time to time. Like one of the head of the railway senior, he motivate MS Dhoni. He don't worried about the googly and means the ball means career. Give the opportunity, many ups and downs, but you have to dedicated about your thing. Like if you love the cricket, if you like cricket, then there is no value of a TT job or other kind of railway job. You have to play and you are enjoying it. Then you have to do that thing particularly. I have a few line about that question. That dream are not the dream that you are watching closing the eye. Dream are those that that couldn't make you asleep. So सपने वो नहीं जो आप आंखें बंद करके देखते हैं. सपने तो वो हैं जो आपको सोने ही ना दें. So this kind of interest you have to find in yourself, because whenever you aim achieve your goal, then you definitely will find, yeah, this is the particular thing where I have an interest, and you can't feel boredom in that work. Suppose if you are a policeman and if you want to become a IPS officer, then you have to certain goal. Yeah, I want to become a IPS, then I will gain more strength, more power, more responsibility to serve our public. Study hard for that thing, and day by day you will groom. You will feel maturity in yourself after studying as well as for the UPSC aspirant. So maybe you can't become the UPSC